Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? How you guys doing, guys? So as you already know, in today's video, from the title, it's titled my first time. And yo, for those that their minds are already in the gutter, please take your mind off the gutter. Okay, take your mind out of the gutter, because that is not what we're talking about today, guys. All right, so I've seen a lot of YouTubers, okay, do this my first time sort of thing, and I said, okay, why not? Like, Chidi, yeah, join the challenge. So that is basically what I'm doing. But guys, it is not what you are talking about. So in this video, I'll be talking about my first time doing some things in my life. Yeah, and I have them here, and I'll be answering them. Okay, for those that came for another thing, I'm sorry if you're disappointed. I am sorry. Okay, my first Facebook picture. Guys, my first Facebook picture, it's okay, I don't know what I was feeling like, honestly. Yo, if you know me, okay, you know me personally, and you go to my Facebook to repost this picture or tag me or do anything, I'll block you. I will legit block you. So I'm just gonna show you the picture, okay? No, I am not attaching it to the screen. I'm not doing that. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the picture, and that's it. Okay, don't screenshot, don't tag. If you go to my Facebook page and search this picture out and tag me or repost it, I will block you. Yes. So guys, this is it. I don't know what I was feeling like, but guys, honestly, I was feeling hot in that picture. Okay, my first love. Anyways, guys, actually I had a really nice experience, okay, because I am not like most girls that would say, oh, my first love broke my heart, my first love did this to me and all that. Like, I really had a really good experience. Okay, like, my first love he was really kind. He was a very responsible, God-fearing guy. All right, it was just so awesome to see a young guy of that age, like, who were younger than, okay, to see him so involved in the things of the Lord and not like the physical alone. All right, not like, oh, like, I want to have sex with you. Okay, like, when are we having sex? Because most teenagers now, or most youth now, okay, that is what they are interested about. Okay, but he was different, guys, and I had a beautiful experience. Like I got to know like what love really means, okay, without, okay, like, you know, all those other things. Okay, still talk. That is how we cherish that relationship that we have built. Okay, even though we are not dating anymore, we really were in love with each other, and Jesus was glorified in our relationship. Okay, so that is all I can say about the relationship. And that was in Nigeria. Okay, my first kiss, I think I was in primary school. Okay, yeah, okay, guys, just calm down. Okay, I was in primary school. It was more of a peg. Okay, during our cultural day, we had this ceremony in school and all of that. We will act all this drama, like, you are acting with this one, you are the wife and he's the husband and all of that, you know, and they will like team you guys up together for you to, you know, present this play, like this drama. So like after it and everything, so like this guy were just like, he was, guys, primary school were so little, all right, and he just like pegged me. I didn't know like what just happened, and I was just confused, and I never forgot it actually. Like, I didn't. Okay, so yeah, that was my first kiss. My first job, my first job that I was being paid for, because I think I think living with my parents, living with my mom alone and doing all those chores was a job on its own. Hello, does anybody agree? If you come from an African home, you will know that living with your parents is a job on its own. Okay, so the first job that I did was after I finished high school. So I was looking for a job, so I found this teaching job in this nursery and primary school. So I was teaching this nursery and primary school pupils, and I was also working for my mom at that time. I told her, like, mom, like, you have to start paying me, because right now I'm not just doing chores, I'm working for you. Okay, so I was working for her and I was working in the school. Yeah, so it was after high school, immediately after high school year. First time I got into trouble at home. Oh my gosh, guys, you know, growing up I wasn't a rebellious child. Like, I wasn't a troublesome child. Like, I don't know what happened to me this day, guys. I was with my auntie. I was staying with my auntie then. I went to this housewarming party, okay, to this friend's housewarming party, and I don't, guys, even till now, when I remember what I did and what happened, I can't still believe it that I did that, you know, like God, you know, when you do something and you remember it and you're asking yourself, okay, like, I did that, like, how, what even came over me, like, what even made me think that I could do that? Guys, I went for this party, okay, I told my auntie, she's been, yeah, cool, like, sure. So guys, I put off my phone. I intentionally switched off my phone so that my auntie won't be able to reach me. Who does that? Like, I can't believe that I did that. Like, even till now I can't still believe it. Guys, I went back home when I felt like I wanted to go back home. How did that stubbornness come on me that day? Like, how did that rebellious spirit come on me that day? Like, what even made me think that I could do that? Like, I went back home. My auntie was so scared. My auntie was already crying. She said that, oh, that she already called the police, that I'm missing, that the police said that, oh, they have to stay for this in 24 hours before they will put up like a statement that I'm missing, that it's not this in 24 hours yet, that she wants to this and take me back home. I said, auntie, please don't take me, because I can bear whatever punishment you want to give me, but do not send me back to my mom, because guys, only African children can understand. If you're not from Africa, if you don't have an African mother, you might not understand what I'm saying. So I said, please, just do with me whatever you wish, whatever you want, but don't just send me back to my mama. Because she said I'm going home. Guys, they took me home, and the rest is history. If you are an African, if you have an African mother, then you will have an idea what happened to me that day. Or not just that day, what happened to me that period. Because in an African home, when you do something, it's not just that day. Like, it's like everything after that day is, guys, you are in trouble. Like, until you do something good, like something that is so huge that might make them forget that. Else, for the rest of that week, that month, that year, you are in trouble.
Guys, the weather today is hot. Okay?
The first time staying alone in the dark. I was that child that was always scared of the dark. It was really a concern, okay, for my mom, because why can't I stay alone in the dark? Okay, my mom was always praying for me, rebuking every spirit of fear. Oh God, guys, if you are from an African home, hey, they will carry anointing oil, pour on your head. Every spirit of fear, every spirit, I cast you out, get away from my child. God, guys, that was what I was dealing with every day in that house. Okay, and guys, like for real, it started working. Okay, like, there is power in prayer, all right? Just that sometimes we might see our parents as being overly dramatic, maybe the way they do it, the way they will press your head, the way they will, like, oh, like, you know, every night they wake you up and start holding your hands and just but guys, it works, because like I found myself, you know, like sleeping without light. And even right now, I can't even sleep without light. I can't, like, the light needs to go out. Like, I need to turn off the lights before I sleep. That's scared kid, guys, that I have to maybe hold my sister or hold my brother or hold my mom or my dad before I sleep. So like they need to put maybe a pillow beside me so that when maybe I move, I will feel something and I will think that someone is still beside me. Because if I don't feel anything, I'm like, guys, it was, I don't know. I was just that kid, okay? But thank God for Jesus. First foreign country I ever visited. The first foreign country I ever visited was Ethiopia, and that was in 2015. Yeah, 2015. That was the first country I ever visited. Ethiopia. The next one here is first time I got something for myself with my money. Yo, yeah, that was when I started working. So like, and guys, it was satisfying. Oh my gosh, like I just love being independent. Okay, like, the feeling is always a beautiful one. Like you're like working hard and spending that money. When did you see someone gives you money, like, you know, it's good and everything, like, but for me, guys, like I derive joy more when I spend my own money that I work for. Like when I work, when I labor for something and I get paid and I spend, I use part of that money to get something. Oh, like I am, the joy, the feeling is always so different for me, and that is what I love more. Okay, it's not I don't appreciate, okay, gifts or any of that, but I love spending my own money. When I did that, then it was satisfying. Like the feeling I got then is still the feeling I get now whenever I spend any money that I work for. Yeah, that was when I finished high school. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Let me give you 10 seconds to subscribe. Yes, so I hope you have clicked that button. Please, guys, subscribe, hit that red button down there, and also click the bell beside it so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. And comment your thoughts on what you want to see next. If you have any video ideas that you want me to do, leave it in the comment section down below and I will check it out. And also comment your thoughts, okay, what you think about this video, and if you have any first thing that you want us also to know, leave it down there too, okay? Thank you so much, guys, and please share my videos, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.